currently coming out of a fabric buying ban and I want to treat myself to some African wax fabric. I would be sharing the different websites that I would purchase my African wax fabrics for myself on the internet. I'll share my recommended websites. We'll have a look at the searching process, buying, the postage and packaging, the quality of the fabric, and we'll compare the images versus what we actually get in real life. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Yeah, the first website I have in mind for you is called Diligent Hands Fabric. Diligent Hands Fabric is an online store that I have kind of built a good relationship with on Instagram. Her name's Fola, and from our conversations on Instagram, she seems really kind. I believe she's got a website now. I'm going to go through Etsy because there's another Etsy store that I want to buy from, so I want to be able to track my deliveries via Etsy, and that's the only reason why I'm doing that. But she has a website. I like that this page has a mix of earthy toned kind of fabrics. She's got this sort of adire, sort of batik fabrics, which is a West African kind of fabric from Nigeria actually. But I don't want any adire at this moment in time, so I'm going to go with Ankara Fabric. She sells her fabric by the yard. I like the look of this one here. The second fabric store that I will recommend is Empire Textiles. Empire Textiles I have bought once from, and that was many years ago. So with this website, you will have to do a bit of searching to find what you need. And Vlisco, they actually stock Vlisco fabrics. And Vlisco is like really high grade African wax fabrics. They do have fabrics that are of £25, but the £25 fabrics haven't really caught my eye. So it's the £50 fabric that have caught my eye, but I do not want to spend £50 on fabric, and that's the reason why I'm going to give this website a pass. But if you are in search of really good grade African wax fabrics, check out Empire Textiles. They're a good one. Middlesex Textiles, I have bought from them online. I will recommend them because I know they have high grade fabrics. Wax prints. Honestly, nothing beats actually going into a store, feeling the fabrics and putting it against your skin to see what it would feel like or what it would look like on you just firsthand. I like this one here. It's called Top Quality Gold Wax Print. This one here, I like this. It's not really calling out at me. I think I prefer this one here. I like the swirls. It's £25 for 6 yards. The next Ankara fabric store that I know is Dovetailed London. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm going to get this fabric here because my friend Lena also she's made something from this, and I think it'll be nice to match with her. I'm going to get 3 yards because whatever I make for myself, I always make 3 yards unless I'm making a blouse or a top. Dovetailed London has fat quarters, and they also sell sewing patterns. Next store that I have in mind is called Ankara Shop. Ankara Shop is my most recent find, and I've enjoyed like the things that I've seen on that website. Now that my fabric ban is lifted, I can buy something from their store. Lots of bold, bright colors. These are like trending Ankara fabric designs. These are so vibrant. It's sort of my style. Oh, love them. It's hard to pick one from here. The pictures they're very vibrant and they're bright, and you see the images so clearly on the page. I like the scrolling experience on this website. I love the scrolling experience. Interesting. Let me tell you something. This fabric here was a fabric that I used to make something that I had on the Great British Sewing Bee when I did it about 3 years ago. And I haven't actually made anything for myself using this fabric, and I'd really like to have this fabric for myself. So I'm going to order this fabric. This is the one that I would go for. I have a question for you. I wonder where you are based in. Wherever you are based in, please leave your recommendations in the comment section, because I'm sure there are lots of people from all over the world who would also like to know places where people could buy African wax fabric, in case anybody wants to add a touch of African wax fabric to their creations, their garments, their furnishings, or any sort of crafts that they do. The next one is called Majestic London. How did I find out about this website? No, this was from a Google search. Okay, so this website has prices in pounds, so I think it's definitely a UK website. I feel like these are actually on sale, but if they're all the way down to these prices, would they be great quality? I don't know. I don't want to buy anything of a low grade. I just prefer to buy things that are of a much better quality, that would last me a very long time, that I know that I would wear and get lots of wear and use from. 52% off. So this is £21.95 for 6 yards. I quite like this one. I can see myself wearing something made from this fabric. Let me show you this one here. It's like a 3D effect. All right, let's go for this then. This store is on Etsy and it's called Inphyneetee.etsy.com. Ooh. Well, I just want to buy one from these websites because I've got I've got about 4 fabrics that I am buying. No, I know what I want. This is the one.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9.
Okay, so I have all my fabrics here. They've all arrived. They arrived on different dates. I'm going to be telling you how long it took for the different items to arrive, and I'll show you what I got. So this one here took 2 days. It arrived in 2 days. It's got to be the earthy tones for me. But I feel like this one isn't 100% cotton. The front is darker than the other one, and it doesn't feel cottony. It feels like it has just a little bit of polyester content, but I love the colors, I love the shade, and it looks exactly as it did on the internet. The second one is this one, and it took 2 days. This one came from ankarashop.co.uk, and it was free shipping as well. This is really soft. It's extremely soft and lightweight. It's not so waxy and hard, but it's this is cotton. It's cotton. It's a soft Ankara fabric. It's not as starchy as the ones that I have used in the past. I mean, I've ordered from this brand or this vendor quite a few times, and I like the feel of it. This next one here arrived 4 days later. She's got a little card giving you tips on how to look after the fabric, which is quite nice and handy to have. Included a lovely note as well. This is 100% cotton. It's got to be cotton. Yeah, this is feels like cotton. And I actually really like it now in the flesh. I think it looks better in the flesh than on the internet. I really like it. Really like this one. It's lovely. This also arrived on the same day as Diligence Hands fabric, so it's 4 days later. Oh, I like this. I love this one so much in real life. Majestic London. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. All my favorite colors in one. Beautiful. It's got a 3D effect to it. I think it looks better in real life. This one here came in 2 days later, so it took me 2 days for me to receive this fabric. But I must say the shipping was quite expensive, £8. Oh, it looks good, but I need to get it out of the packet and actually feel it. This is real stuff. I must say, for me, African wax fabric just needs to feel light like a light cotton feel. I don't like African wax fabrics being very waxy and stiff and just hard and firm to manage. So this really ticks all my boxes. Look at that. This is just amazing. I love it. Beautiful. It's a Julius Holland, even though I don't really pay much attention to the labels, because you do get some of them that aren't really the real stuff, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Ah, this was the last one to arrive. I made the order on the 14th and this came on the 23rd. So I think I opted for a cheaper option. They might have more quicker options for delivery. She also included a beautiful card here. Well, in my opinion, it's more blue than it's green. I don't know what it's looking like on the camera, but I like it. I like it. This one here is not as soft as the other ones that I've bought from other brands, but it's, you know, after a wash or two, I feel like it'll relax a bit more and get a lot more drapey. This would suit a jumpsuit more than a dress. A jumpsuit or a pair of trousers, this one. All the brands that I purchased from online, I'll list them all in the description box below. I hope you give them a check out. I just recommend just having a browse through their websites to see if you find the same one, or you might find ones that are even better or suited to your palettes, your color palettes, and your tastes, your style, your design. And I hope you have good stuff to say about them as well, because I enjoy the experience. I enjoy the experience of purchasing online. It was hassle-free. It wasn't difficult to buy from them. My cards got accepted immediately. They don't know that I've purchased from them. I'm just like every other customer, and it's just arrived when it arrived, and I've let you know. Apart from that, great experience. My sewing in 2022 is about to be lit. I'm gonna let you go, everyone, but I hope you got something out of this video. I hope it was useful for you. If you got value from the video, let me know in the description box below. If you would like for me to review other online fabric websites, do let me know. I'm not sure if they ship internationally, so you would have to do a bit of reading on their websites just to check. And with that, I'm going to let you go. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone, and all the very best. Take care. Bye!